Junior here once again, and today we're going to be propagating some plants I found while I was weeding the front bed. I believe they are calendula, and I'm not sure what the other one is. I pulled them up gently by the leaf because I don't want to damage the stem and root structure, and I put them in a wet paper towel to preserve them while I wait to get everything planted. Next up, I will use an old milk jug to put the plants in. Basically what I did is converted this milk jug into a container. I cut the top off and I cut about 4 slits in the middle. I think this works perfectly because I can put the water in this spout here and it never touches the plant. Next step, I got my dirt, I got my pot, but I'm not ready to plant yet because remember, you never want to work with dry dirt. So I'm going to go and take some distilled nursery water and thoroughly saturate the soil. Alright, there's my dirt, there's my dibble, here are my new plants. I'll put them in horizontally because I want them all to have enough room to grow. So first what I do is take the dibble and put a little hole in the dirt so that I'm not crushing the root as I try to get it in there. Then I pick up the plant by its leaf and kind of just work it in there. And there we go. Each plant is there in the milk jug. I'll place it outside in indirect sunlight for like the next 6 weeks and see what kind of flowers pop up. I know that these two are calendula or pot marigold, but I'm not quite sure what these are. So I can't wait to find out. Till next time, happy planting. Hey y'all, Tia the gardener here with an update about the plants we propagated about a month earlier. As you can see here, I was completely wrong about the calendula. This, in fact, is just regular old, normal marigold. The difference between calendula and marigold is that calendula can be used for medicinal purposes. It makes an excellent face wash and a mouth rinse for sore throats. Behind the marigold are zinnias. Only one has bloomed thus far. The other two will probably bloom in the coming months, and I'm excited to see what color that they will be. Maybe you're wondering if you have to wait until the flowers are blooming in order to transplant them into a larger bed. And the answer is no. After about 3 weeks or so, give a gentle tug on the plant and see if it has any give to it. If it does, that means it's developed a root structure, and that is safe to transplant. If it comes up too easily, on the other hand, give it some more time in the container that you're trying to propagate it in. The roots haven't established yet, and you could kill it by moving it to another bed. I thought about putting these out in the front bed, but then I decided against that. I think I'll leave them here in the container where I can move them easily in and out of the house. Until next time, happy planting!